Well, folks, welcome to another episode of Midwest River Rat. I got some advice from Bob at Menominee Outdoors to come up the river a ways. Been pretty frustrating trying to find fish. Everybody that I fish with finds fish when I'm not with them, and then we go to the same spot. I don't know, fish flee from me. And I had to park about 3/4 of a mile away, hold my sled on my foot all the way out here while I got my hand auger. It started out raining when I got here. So I had to wear my rain gear. I got rain pants on and rain jacket on. Never thought I'd be doing that to go ice fishing, but it's turned into snow now, so at least I'm not getting wet. I'm gonna quit yapping, get my baits in the water, and then hopefully we can get some fishes. Two tip ups set up. I spread the tip ups out with walleye sucker minnows. I'm just gonna jig in the shack with one rod. This snow / rain is probably not gonna stop all day. Just about dropped my auger down the hole. Somehow my pin, the thread half of my pin from my auger sheared off. Got through, punched through the last hole and was pulling it up. Pin popped out and the auger went all the way to the water, and I reached in the water and grabbed it out, and the pin didn't go down the hole. I grabbed that too, so at least I still have the ability to drill a hole. So I'm gonna start jigging. We'll see how the day goes, I guess. Here, fishy, 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 fishy. Here, fishy, fishy. Where are you, fishies? I know. I want summertime too. Spring, summer, fall, open water, warm weather. I think the fishes are telling me that I'm not supposed to be ice fishing. I'm supposed to be summertime fishing. The fishes are like, we'll come back when you start throwing real baits at us. Not these little tiny niblets, snack appetizer baits. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. I got my little breakfast sandwich from Quick Trip, and I just put the plate upside down on top of this pan because I just want to warm this up, not cook it. And this thing's really hot, so instead of trying to scorch my sandwich in the pan, that raises it up off the heat a little bit, gives it an air cushion, so the pan will fill up with hot air and warm up my sandwich that's been sitting in the car. I don't know why any of you care about any of this, but there's another thing I did besides catch fish, which I'm not. Alright, so I've gotten 0 bites on a jig. I've gotten 0 flags on tip up. I'm gonna move. I might as well. We're getting close to the middle of the day, and hopefully we can get some evening fish. I've got a flag, not spinning, but it's a flag. First fight all day. Oh, man. Well, obviously there's no fish. I did have it facing, like, it's definitely windy enough to trip that flag, but I did have the flag so the wind would push it into the stopper, so I don't think it was the wind, and there was a little bit of line pulled out, so I think it did get bit. I didn't see any marks on the fish really, but on the minnow, but that's better than what we've had all morning. So I guess I'll go back to shack. Alright, time to get another hole drilled in here. Look, everybody. I don't know if you can hear me, but the sun came out. It's still windy as all heck. Got a couple of bald eagles flying around up there. Probably can't see them. Yeah, the weatherman definitely has no clue what he's talking about. I had to put a little anchor for this side of the hub because the wind literally was so strong, it was pushing that side of the hub in. Got a perch. Oh my goodness. Holy crap. I got a fish. My goodness. I need to get this bait back down there. I started jigging like way off the bottom. Like instantly got a bite. Holy crap. I need to put this guy in this bait tank because I need to calm down. Holy crap. And I need to get this bait back down there. Okay, how high was I? All day, I've been jigging like between right off the bottom and like maybe a foot. And then just kind of absent-mindedly, I just reeled it up a couple of feet. Didn't really pay attention to my reel at all. Just started jigging it probably halfway between the ice and the bottom, roughly. And then all of a sudden, wham! Okay, I'll show you the fish. I got the fish in the bait tank, but if there's fish moving in, I need to be fishing because it's like, what time is it? 5:25. It is 5:25. I've almost been here. I've been here 11 hours, roughly 11 hours fishing. I've moved once, obviously. Come on, man. Come on, man. Any more little buggers down there? Well, nothing's biting right away, so I'm going to put a fresh waxy on and then show you guys that fish. And guess what? You'll never believe the color pattern that I caught this on. You'll never guess. You may or may not have ever seen this color pattern on my channel. Yeah, there. Can you see that? Yep, there you go. There's a good shot at it. Yep, the yellow, green, and black fire tiger pattern. The fish in my river system love this color pattern. Oh my goodness, I'm rat's nesting on the ice reel. What is going on? Okay, we got it. I'll figure this ice fishing gig out yet. Okay, let's close the row of spikes before I dump them all over the ice. That was exciting. And show you that fish. It's not a monster, but it's a lot bigger than the other perch that my kid and I were catching. Come on, dude. You're probably gonna get let go because since the bite wasn't instant and there's not a lot of you, I'm not gonna keep you. Maybe I'll keep you in the bait tank for a little while. He's a good size. Alright, I got him back in the bait tank. Okay. Fish number 1. 11 hours in. We caught a fish though. I caught a fish. I can catch fish through the ice. I'm not a complete failure. Yeah, fishy, fishy, fishy. I mean, it only took like 10 hours for it to work last time. Right?